Hello children, welcome to Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sriramnagar, Panalu Matru Sikshana. So today we are with day 4 EOY revision class. So we have done with our two components, our whole words and then reading and listening comprehension. So the next component is, yes, grammar. Now let us see what are the things we are going to revise in this grammar and how to solve this worksheet. So your first comes, you have to read the given sentence below and you need to write down which type of sentence it is. So in sentences, we have like telling sentence, question sentence and surprise. So now, once you read the sentence, you have to find out whether it is telling, question or surprise. So how to identify them? Yes. So always telling sentences will tell us something and which ends with a full stop. And question sentence, yes, it is asking a question to us. When we ask some question to someone else, that is called as question sentence. And also it ends with a question mark. And then comes a surprise sentence, which makes us to feel amazed. And which ends with a exclamatory mark. Yes. So now you will be finding whether it is telling, question or surprise sentence. Okay. Then you need to convert the following sentence. Like the sentence is in telling sentence. Now you need to convert that particular telling sentence to question sentence. Clear? So now the students are reading the books. So it is in a telling sentence. Now if you want to change this telling sentence to question, what is the thing you need to add there and what is the punctuation mark you need to add, whether it is full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. Okay, followed by the other question also. And then here, now once again vice versa. Here the down sentences are question sentences and you need to change them into telling sentences. Clear? So does he come back home on time? This is the question which we is asking. Now you need to convert this into telling sentence and followed by the other question also. And then comes, you need to underline the question tags. So question tags is nothing but like is it and all. Like when we'll ask, is it? Don't you? Yes. So the laptop is not working properly. Is it? Now which is the question tag here and which ends with a question mark? Yes, it is it. Now we need to underline is it. So likewise followed by the other questions also. Okay. So this ends today's EOY revision. Thank you.